Now let's look at the implementation. Here we took the input in an adjacency list, that is we call it graph, and we have vector of set, that as we have discussed previously. Now we will loop from 1 to n and apply DFS to it, and we just give AI as a parameter as well, and because we want to store the connected nodes to I in AI which is a set actually. And let's look at the DFS. We have visited I equal to, if we have visited I equal to true, then it will just return, simply return. And if we have that note, then we just say it to be true, set it to be true, and we then just call the DFS for all the connected nodes to it and store it in A. And after that we just traverse from 1 to n and have maximum to be equal to the last element of that of the component of in which we have I as the minimum element. So we do this to say for maximum, to set maximum, and we just go from I plus 1 to maximum. And let's look at this afterwards. We just increase our answer if we don't have that, that is we are in case 2, and if aj dot empty is equal to true, that means that jth node don't have any components. No, it's not like we don't have any components, we have we have it already considered, like as we say in that example, like just we have 1 to be connected to 2, 7 and 5. Then we don't have to set, we don't want to set anything for 2, then this will be empty because we have already considered it in first component, that is 1 will be the minimum element of this component in which 2 lies. That's why 2 will be empty, and we have done it in this because if visited I is already true, that is when we call for 1, 2 will become true as well when we call this. So afterwards, then when we call for 2 here, then we just then we have visited 2 to be equal to true, so it will just return and it will have 2 as empty. And this will say that we already have that, we have considered it. And if we don't have that, that means that we are in case 2, so we just increase our answer and take the maximum to be equal to the maximum of max, and mx to be equal to the maximum of max, and the ajth rbn, that means the last element of the second component, that is like this, that we have this for 3, we have 3, 4 and 6 and 8. Just consider this case. Then we have 3 to be like this and 4 will be empty, 5 will be empty, same for 6 and 8 as well. So we are here for 2, oh sorry, for here for 3. Now for 3 we don't have that in our mx, we don't have that in our 1th component, so we just in mx we just set our mx to be equal to the maximum of mx and ajth r begin. Okay, now we just set I to be equal to maximum, and it will just for after the loop it will just increment, so I will become mx plus 1. So like it will be when we are in 3, then it will just consider all the cases 3, 4, 6 and 8, and after that it will become 9. So that's the implementation, and we will just print out answer afterwards.